Medical gauze bandage manufacturing plant can be initiated as small scale, with moderate capital investment. The demand for medical gauze bandage is found all throughout the year. Medical gauze bandage are the products manufactured from white bleached cotton gauge cloth of suitable quality. There are made of very fine and plain woven cotton cloth. What you need is a proper machinery, and you can make medical gauze bandage. You can then supply the medical gauze bandages in hospitals, nursing homes, clinics, pharmacies, and health centers. You need a business license before starting this business. The most common type of bandage is the gauze bandage. The uses of medical gauze bandages range from simple dressing of superficial wounds to holding together fractured bones or body parts for rehabilitation and recovery. A gauze bandage can come in any number of widths and lengths, and can be used for almost any bandage application, including holding a dressing in place. Generally, the medical gauze bandages comes in roll of 3 to 4 meters. The demand for medical gauze bandage never goes down. Medical gauze bandages are used extensively in healthcare institutions. After making the medical gauze bandage, it should be washed. Disinfect after washing. Gauze bandages are being sterilized here. Dry thoroughly after disinfect. The demand of medical gauze bandage is related with the rising in population and expansion of public health services. The demand for medical gauze bandage rises by the rise in population and number of hospitals, nursing homes, health care centers, etc. Large nursing homes and government hospitals are the biggest consumer for medical gauze bandage.